Today in this video we will see how to add a signature or how to create signature in Gmail account along with logo. Now if you want to create a signature along with logo, you have to access Gmail by using web browser. So what I will do is I will open Gmail website. Now I will choose the Gmail account for which I want to create a signature, and let me log into my Gmail account. So once I log into my Gmail account, I will click on this settings gear icon, click on see all settings. Now under general, scroll down and there is an option here, signature. So if you want to create a signature, select this option, create new, and then you have to give a name to the signature. Create. Now here you can write a signature. So signature can be simply your name, address, your telephone number, location, and this signature will be added at the bottom of every email that you send by default. That means you don't need to include in every mail, it will be added automatically. And suppose if you want to add a logo here, what you have to do is you have to click on this image icon, insert image. Now you should have a logo saved to your Google Drive account. In case if you don't have a logo saved, then you have to upload it. For me, I have this logo saved, but if you don't have, you will go to this upload option, you will click on this option, select a file from your device and then upload it. So let me select this logo and then select. So now you can see that the logo is inserted, but this logo is very big. So what I will do, I will click on it and then small, and you can see that the logo has changed its size. After that, what you do, you have to go down here, and then these are the two options when you want to use the signature. So for new emails, I will use the signature. If you want to reply or forward an email also, then you can use the signature. After that, save changes. Now let me test it. So for that one, I will click on this compose button, and you can see the signature is automatically added. So this is how you can add a signature to your Gmail account with logo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for